Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to design Instagram poster in a Figma. Here is the output of the design. Let's start. First select the frame and, and select from here what you want to what you want, and I select iPhone 14 and 15 Pro Max. And here you can see here is the frame of the iPhone 14 and 15 Pro Max. And let's start with the top of the navigation from here. So simply I start with the time and increase the size of the font, and I select enter and semi bold. Or you can also able to see able to use preview feature of the Figma. If you click on the preview, you will be able to see your design in the mobile preview. Wait for few seconds to open the frame in the mobile, and here you can see. So drag it in like that, and open layout grid and column 5 and this. I use here, and let's import these three icons from the Iconify. Go into the plugin, manage plugin, source Iconify, and here you can see Iconify. Double click on this and source the Wi-Fi. Click on the icon and import icon, and again source battery. And here you can see you can find different types of battery icon. I select this one, and again network. Yeah. Here is the icon, and resize this icon, these icons, and or sorry, drag it and resize these icons on same height and width, and add it on the auto layout. So I and select these three icons, and right click on the mouse and press add auto layout, or you can also press the shift plus A. Or here, here is the your sorry, and shift A. Or here you can see here is the your icon in one auto layout frame. Or you can also see middle. Maybe this icon is little bit big, and you can also drag and resize the size of the icon. But it is not like look like a good. I ungroup it and drag it on the top of the here. Simply I'll drag it in. Here you can see here is our icon, and now arrange it on. From here you can also maintain a margin, padding. So I'll give 5 pixel and here is 20 pixel and it's look like good. You can also use the scale from here, which help you to the simply. You can also use rectangle tools like that and simply drag like this, or you can measure it, but it's not a good method. You can use scale or ruler to measure the size of the or space of the design. So here you can find, I properly use it and delete it. I also, here you can see it is a good, look like good, and I select this tool and also press it. Now let's start with this Instagram title. Instagram, and go into the text and select these icons or bold. Make it little bit bigger. Regular is good. Regular width, I'll check it. Regular good. 32 take good. Why is it not update? That's good. Now it update. And basically I copy and paste it and I drag it and drag it here. You can also drag it like this, and uh, or you can also import these icons from Iconify. I also copy and paste these icons and drag it in here. Here we can see our header is designed properly. Now wait, this icon is not working properly. Font is, now it's work, and now design the main theme this. So let's start. And select the roboto and type the any name, and reduce the size like that, and copy paste it, and also reduce the size of the address 15, and good, it's good. Shift A and like that, or select the photo, copy, sorry. not a frame, but it is a ellipsis. So I copy and paste it and reduce the size of it, maybe a little bit bigger, and like that. It's look like good. And select both things, control A, auto layout. You can maintain a gap or space between both. Now design this dot icon. Simply you can select this and drag this and change the color of black to simple. Good. And reduce this size like that and copy and paste 3 times. Does it look like same? And select both and press shift A and so drag it and adjust it on the right side of the design and select this frame and this frame and shift A auto layout, and we can also maintain from space from here. So it's like good. And now go with the post for so for that take a rectangle and drag it from here like that, like this, and it is 10 pixel border radius, and go into the Figma plugin, again go into the plugin and manage plugin or search Figma, and you can select or insert various different types of the image. So I simply select this one picture, wait few minutes and it's imported and it's look like good, very good. And wait a few minutes and now design this footer or these like, comment and share icons. So it's not a big deal for you. Do same thing, same of the same like that, these icons. So I simply copy these and here paste it and drag it here. You can see it's look like good. And I for this also control D, sorry, uh, liked by June and 101 others. Control B and control V, sorry. Bold, and it's good. And Robin goes with the copy, sorry, select and bold and give the title